name of fruits and vegetable. APPLE. Apple. What is the color of apple? Red. What we say apple in Urdu? Same. Good. BANANA. Banana. What is the color of banana? Yellow. What we say banana in Urdu? Kela. ORANGE. Orange. What is the color of orange? Orange. What we say orange in Urdu? Malta. WATERMELON. Watermelon. What is the color of watermelon? Green and red. What we say watermelon in Urdu? Tarboos. MELON. Melon. What is the color of melon? Yellow. What we say melon in Urdu? Tarbuza. Good. STRAWBERRY. Strawberry. What is the color of strawberry? Red. What we say strawberry in Urdu? Strawberry. Good. PEAR. Pear. What is the color of pear? Green. What we say pear in Urdu? Nashpati. GRAPES. Grapes. What is the color of grapes? Green. What we say grapes in Urdu? Angur. Good. POMEGRANATE. Pomegranate. What is the color of pomegranate? Red. What we say pomegranate in Urdu? Anar. MANGO. Mango. What is the color of mango? Yellow. What we say mango in Urdu? Aam. Good. Next हमारे पास है the name of vegetables. Let's start. POTATO. Potato. Good. What we say potato in Urdu? Aloo. Good. TOMATO. Tomato. What is the color of tomato? Red. What we say tomato in Urdu? Tomato. Good. BRINJAL. Brinjal. What is the color of brinjal? Purple. What we say brinjal in Urdu? Lemon. Good. CAULIFLOWER. Cauliflower. What we say cauliflower in Urdu? Gobi. Good. CABBAGE. Cabbage. What is the color of cabbage? Green. Good. LADYFINGER. Ladyfinger. What is the color of ladyfinger? Green. What we say ladyfinger in Urdu? Green. Good. ONION. Onion. What is the color of onion? Purple. What we say onion in Urdu? Pyaz. Good. GARLIC. Garlic. What we say garlic in Urdu?